how to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to purchase Spotify Premium using your iPhone. So first, launch the Spotify app. So you might notice the premium option in the bottom right doesn't allow you to purchase a subscription directly. So we will need to head to a web browser instead. So close the Spotify app and open Safari or any browser you prefer. So once you're in the browser, type in spotify.com, then hit enter. So when you're logged in to the Spotify website, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on that, then select Login from the drop-down menu. So enter your login credentials for your Spotify account. Then after you log in, you might be directed to the Spotify player or the homepage. So either way, locate the gear icon at the top right for account settings or tap the three bars again if you're on homepage. So now, select View Account. So this will take you to your account overview page. If you're not already seeing options for upgrading to premium, simply scroll down to the section that says your plan. Here, you should see an option to join premium. Tap on that to explore the different subscription plans available. Now, you will be prompted to select your payment method. You can choose between a credit or debit card or PayPal. So fill in your payment details including your card number, expiration date, and security code. So once you have entered everything, tap on Buy Now to complete your purchase. Then after confirming your payment, your Spotify Premium subscription will be activated. Now, return to the Spotify app to see changes.